Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that will manage the group calendar. This gives you owner controls. Once signed in, open Google Calendar and click Create Right Arrow New Calendar. Name it, add a clear description, choose the correct time zone so events sync properly, and save. Then immediately adjust the default visibility. Decide whether events are public or limited to invited members. This early decision prevents permission headaches later and sets expectations for privacy and access. Next, add members so the calendar becomes a functional group tool. In Settings, use Share with specific people and add each email or a Google group if you manage many users. Once added, assign precise roles. Choose See Only for viewers, make changes for editors, or make changes and manage sharing for co-admins. Once done, explain role differences to the team so people know whether they can edit events, change times, or invite others. Make sure to apply group-level roles when possible to reduce repetitive setup. Finally, build your first real events and test permissions by inviting a few members. When creating events, add full details: times, locations, descriptions, attachments, and conferencing links. Set repeating rules and notifications so everyone gets timely reminders. Once events are created, verify guests can view and RSVP. If someone can't see items, check the calendar's sharing settings and confirm they are logged into the correct Google account. A key troubleshooting tip: if visibility fails, temporarily make changes to one person to isolate account versus permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.